And on the 4 hours time frame, as we analyzed before, here is strongest buying zone in the 4 hours time frame. Therefore, at this time we can trailing stop right into this zone. But at this time, we can see that here also the last down candles before the price continue go up, and here also the imbalance. If you quick analyze here, might be the PY zone in the 4 hours time frame. Therefore, at this time we only can take profits on this zone to be safety, because the markets might be just come into this zone and continue go up. Everything we cannot make sure, therefore take profits right into this zone is the most safety. And therefore at this time we can come into the 1 hour time frame to see what happened in the market. At this time the reward break ratio is a 6.4 times for the smart money concept, and the first trade on the key level strategy is a 2.58 times, also really nice. But smart money concept is bigger, but not all the time we have the signals on smart money strategies. At this time, if you analyze over here, we have a strong pin bar candles with the volume also marking right below. You can quick access when the market creates a top bottom like this, and on the second bottom also appear strong buying pressure. So let's move on some candle to see what happened in the market. We can see that have no any signals. In this Maruzu candle also appear here's a big Maruzu candle in the upside, but if you compare the size of this Maruzu candle also is not strong enough compared with the Maruzu candle on the left side. Therefore here is not good Maruzu candle to quick access. I will still holding this trade, and after that the price come lower very strongly. And totally I already have the profits at this time is a 6 times reward break ratios. Really nice for smart money concept. And totally after 2 trades we have the profits is might be 9 times reward break ratio. It means that 9% of your account, and the holding time for 2 trades might be 12 days. Really nice. And let's move on some of the candle to see what happened after our trades. And you can see that the market try to fail break into the 4 hour strongest buying zone and continue go up very strongly. In case you don't understand about the big picture of the market and take profits very far, at this time all your profits might be pulled back into the lost place. Therefore, you need to manage your trade very carefully and understand about the big picture of the market. And one more thing I want to say at this time, in case you can understand about the total picture of the market and you sell on the 1 hour strongest selling zone and stop loss at our standards right above of the recent high of the market, take profits until the strongest buying zone in the 4 hours time frame. The reward break ratio at this time is a 1.8 times, also really nice. But if you're trading in case the markets appear imbalanced, also I mean that the signal of smart money concept, you follow smart money concept to optimize reward break ratio is better than you trading with the key level strategies in case the markets appear smart money concept signals. That is how I analyze and combine two strategies together. Hope this video helpful to you to understand and apply it in the real trading. Thank you.